Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I haven't posted on this thing in a very long time. Really sorry about that. I do intend to start posting a bit more content on here. As you can see, I bought like a key light and stuff, looking profesh, looking cool. Today though, very short video. Recently on my podcast, Burgers, Beers and Books, which is on the Words and Nerds podcast, I had the delight of interviewing Grant Ison, and during our burgers, he burped right into the mic. Just wanted to bring it to you. Just wanted to show you what sort of a man Grant is. So let's run the clip. Yes, it happened.
There we go.
First time, guys.
Ooh.
I might edit that. That was pretty gross.